A well-functioning engine is the beating heart of your power sports vehicle, whether it's a motorcycle, an ATV, or a side-by-side. But have you ever given thought to what's ensuring its clean, unobstructed operation? Each ride, your engine is under assault. Dust, debris, insects, all trying to infiltrate the system. These contaminants, seemingly insignificant, can wreak havoc on your engine's intricate mechanics, leading to decreased performance and, ultimately, costly repairs. Now you might think, I take good care of my engine. Regular oil changes, timely servicing. I've got it covered. But there's an unsung hero, often overlooked, working tirelessly to safeguard your engine: the air filter. The air filter is your engine's frontline defense, trapping these damaging particles and ensuring they never make their way into the heart of your vehicle. But just like any other part, it needs attention and care. Keeping your air filter clean and dry is paramount for your engine to operate at its peak efficiency. So let's dive deeper into the potential problems a wet air filter can cause and the steps you can take to prevent them, ensuring your rides stay smooth and your engine stays healthy. There are mainly two types of air filters: reusable and disposable. These types of filters, such as foam and fabric ones, are often found in off-roading vehicles and ATVs. Reusable air filters can be cleaned and treated with a special oil to keep them working optimally. On the other hand, disposable air filters, typically made of paper, are more commonly used in road bikes and other similar vehicles. As the name implies, these cannot be cleaned and must be replaced when dirty. Choosing the right air filter depends largely on your vehicle type and use. Make sure to consider these factors when making a decision. A wet air filter can cause the engine to choke or run rich. This happens when the water blocks the flow of air, causing an excess amount of fuel to mix with less air, leading to a rich running engine. The tiny spaces in an air filter are designed for efficient airflow. When an air filter becomes soaked, these spaces can become clogged, significantly reducing the engine's performance. When an air filter gets wet, dust and debris can stick to it more easily. Over time, this can cause a buildup of contaminants that can affect the vehicle engine's efficiency and performance. Maintaining your air filter is crucial in preventing these problems. Here are some measures you can take. Cleaning a reusable air filter involves washing it, letting it dry, and then treating it with special oil. A fabric air filter cleaning kit is often used for this. For disposable air filters, replacement is necessary when they become dirty. Having regular maintenance checks on your vehicle is a good practice. This can help detect issues early on, including issues with your air filter. To ensure your power sports vehicle runs smoothly, it's important to maintain a clean and dry air filter. Whether you have a reusable or disposable air filter, keeping it free from water and contaminants is key to the engine's performance and longevity.